It is a little chilly this morning in Kansas. Final day of goose hunting. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the flame goose hunting videos. Today is about to be another epic goose hunt out here with Bobby Guy Films, doing big things. We got a trailer full of decoys. We got a field that is going to be just pouring in with geese later on today. I gotta take off here around like 1 or so. We gotta set up some deeks, set out the blinds, brush them up, give them a little honk honk, shoot shoot, bang bang, gang gang. Alright guys, got the deek set up. Changing it up today. We are hunting a wheat field. Should be good. We got a little body of water, some down yonder, which is where all the birds are sitting right now. We gotta wait for them to come up, fly over, and then land to come and eat in this field, and then we shoot them. So, gotta load up the old gun here. Ready to go.
Kill him. Dude, them pigeons, that was some training, dude. Oh yeah. Try him. Take both your guys' shoulders.
Woohoo!
They're up there. I was like, boom, 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 boom. They're up there a little ways.
There we go. We got an albino chicken.
Looking for it. Get
Get him, four! Yeah. There you go.
I wonder what they're not liking if we need to put some sticks in front of us or something.
Kill that one. Woo! Smoke!
That's the black one.
That's the black one. Yep.
Yep. Look at that one.
Ooh, that is black.
Dang.
Wow. That is nuts.
Look at this speck. Oh my gosh.
I saw that one first thing. Remember when I was
Did you
like,
mount
look
a
at
spec?
that
No.
belly?
See the
No.
dark one.
Dude, that's a beast right there.
Yeah, Adam and I were down there like looking at
Oh my gosh, that's
How old do you think
crazy.
he is?
He's old.
That's an old speck. Look at that thing.
Dude, almost fully black.
Wow. So right now we're seeing a ton of birds, but we're having a difficult time getting them to land. We've had a couple groups that come in, but the majority of them aren't. So we got kind of our spread situated here. We're gonna take a couple of these in the middle and then string them out, and kind of hopes that the geese will land, even if it's like a little bit farther shot. At least get them kind of down on the ground a little bit lower, because right now we're having to shoot them kind of high. Not super high. I mean, definitely killable, but it's not the easiest shot. You know, we got Bobby over here, marksman, sniper. He had a lot of practice pigeon hunting the other day, so
We did.
we got the man. But we're gonna move these decoys around. Hopefully we got to get a couple more groups coming a little bit closer, that we can kill a few more.
We have one decoy, nice work.
Money, they're gonna be doing it. Doing work over here, boys. Brushing up the blind, ain't gonna see a thing.
Kill him. Get him, buddy.
There you go.
Woo!
Hey, wait,
Wade.
that one. He's getting. Watch him.
Get him.
Oh, get him, four.
Four's got him.
He's got him.
He'll
got him.
He's
Get
not
him,
getting off
four.
the
Come on,
ground.
four.
I
One
knew
over
he-
here walking too, Wade.
Woo! Here we go, boys. We got some big old honkers. Big honkers. That's what we want right there. Good job, four. Good job, four.
Take him.
There we go, baby. Yeah.
Like a 10. Look at his.
Look at that big old honker, dude.
Goodness.
That honker weighs as much as four.
Just dragging it around.
Good boy.
Massive. So it's now about 11 o'clock. We had a lot of groups come in. The issue is these freaking trees. That's what we're blaming it on. We couldn't get them to come close enough to the trees. There's not anywhere to hide. I mean, we're like in grass. Nowhere to really hide. And so this is like the only place to hide. And for some reason geese don't like chilling and coming into the trees. But I was gonna show you, we got caught. I keep saying caught. We ain't fishing. We got 4 different species of goose. Got a snow, specklebelly, and then these little chicken looking things are lessers, and then over here are honkers. So these are like Canadian geese. Yeah, hold that son of a gun up.
Compare that one to one of the lessers.
Yeah,
Grab
look,
one of those lessers.
so you guys can see the size difference. We got prairie chickens over here and freaking pterodactyls right there. Those are the other 2. And then check, I mean, those are the 4, but check this speck out. So this is something maybe you guys know, I didn't know, but you see how much darker this one is than this one. That means this one is older. We're getting that. I'm not getting this one mounted, but someone's mounting that one. So we shot 17 total. We got all the decoys to pick up. I gotta drive 4.5 hours back home tonight. Yeah, that's gonna kind of suck, but had a good time. Lots of good hunting footage. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the videos. I'm gonna help pick up some decoys.
12 o'clock midnight.
What's going on, guys? As you can see, I am back home. I had a great time filming in Kansas for a few days. Shot a whole bunch of birds, a lot of geese, a lot of pigeons. I'm hoping you guys are enjoying the hunting videos. It's kind of unfortunate the hunting season is now coming to an end. I am going to try to get out and shoot some snow geese. That is kind of my next thing that thing that's been on my bucket list for a while that I haven't done is conservation hunt snow geese, which is like in the spring and you shoot a whole bunch of them. So that's my next mission for hunting. As well as I want to go after some turkey this spring. So If you guys are in Nebraska and you got some flame turkey spots, you let me know. But I don't want to make this video any longer. I had a great, like I said, great time filming with Bobby Guy Films. He's always putting me on the juice spot for the birds. Go check his channel out down below if you already haven't. He's going to be coming out with a lot of hunting stuff, fishing. You know, him and I are going to collaborate a whole bunch. He's only about 4 hours from my house, so it's not too bad. But if you are enjoying the hunting videos, you want to see more, make sure you leave a like and drop a comment down below so I know. Like I said, I film for you guys. I go hunting for myself because I enjoy hunting. Myself, I enjoy it. But I film it and make the video for you guys. I don't film it for myself. I film it for you guys. So if you guys aren't enjoying it, let me know. But if you are, let me know. So that way I will continue to do it. I want to make the videos that you guys want to see. That's all I've got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.
This thing is, film me. I'm shooting blanks.